Hello guys, welcome back. This is Deepika from MyTutorialRack.com, and now in this video we are going to add few fields to this medical appointment object that we have created. Now you can pause this video. I have already shared you a snapshot. You can go ahead and quickly add these fields to the custom object, and then this is one set of fields and this is the next set of fields that we are adding to the same object. So you can pause this video, take a look at the fields and create the fields similarly. Okay, the other thing is you can watch me doing it also one by one. So let's go ahead and create the fields. The first one we have is age, and it's a number field. So I'll go back and we'll add a field here, new field called age, and it's a number field. So we'll scroll down, number, next field is called age and the length is going to be 2. Next, visible to all the profiles, next, and save and new. Then the other field that we will add is alcoholism. It's a checkbox. Okay, so we'll go back again. It's a checkbox, and we'll scroll next here. And then next, visible to all, next, save and new. Then the other field we have already created appointment ID. Then we have is appointment day. Okay, and that is going to be of the type date. So we'll go back here and it is of the type date. Next is called appointment day. Next, visible to all, next, save and new. Then the next field we will add is diabetes. It's also a checkbox, so we'll go ahead and go back here and we'll select the checkbox here. Next, diabetes here, and then next, visible to all, next, save and new. Then the next field we have after diabetes is gender, which is a pick list of M and F. Okay, so the other one we have is a pick list here, so we'll scroll down and we'll go over to pick list and scroll next here, click next, and then we'll say gender, and it is a values that we're going to add is male and another one is female. And then next, visible to all, next, save and new. Then the other field that we have after gender is handicap, so we can say we have a field called, if you scroll down, and what type of field it is, it's again a checkbox field. Okay, I'm going to change the spellings here. So this is a checkbox field called as handicap, visible, so that is the one. Then the next one we have is hypertension. Okay, that's also checkbox, so scroll down for checkbox here, is hypertension. Next, visible to all, next, and save and new. So we have added the fields from this sheet. Now in the next tutorial we are going to add the fields from this second sheet here, which is like neighborhood, no show, etc. So we are going to add these fields as well. So I'll see you in the next tutorial, and you can add these fields on your own, or you can wait and watch me adding these fields to the object. Okay, so thank you very much, and I'm going to see you in the next video.